is Jenny, and I will be demonstrating the violin. The typical range of a violin is G3 to E7. It can technically reach up to A7 and sometimes higher, but that's quite rare in violin repertoire and pretty difficult. The range for a beginner to intermediate violinist is typically G3 to D6. Now I will be demonstrating some articulations. Here is legato. Here is staccato. Here is a slur. Here is slurred staccato. And here is spiccato. Now I will demonstrate some extended techniques. Here is pizzicato. Here is a trill. Here is a tremolo. Here are some natural harmonics. Here are some artificial harmonics. Here is sol tosto. Here is sol ponticello. Here is concertino, which I will use a mute for. Here is colegno. Now I will demonstrate double stops and chords. The typical range between the low and high note in a double stop is an octave. This can also be stretched up to a tenth, but that's pretty difficult. Here is what double stops sound like. Chords on the violin are 3 or 4 notes played together. Because of the shape of the bridge, which is in an arch, as you can see here, when a chord is played, you won't hear all the notes at the same time. Rather, you will hear a rolled sound, as I will demonstrate here. Thank you for watching this video.